Welcome back to the channel CAD Comrade, and in today's video we're going to learn about how to plot multiple drawings all at once. So basically we have these three sets of drawing that we want to plot it to a PDF all at once. So it is very easy. Click on any one layout, right click on it, and you simply have to select that export layout simply on any one of it. It is all right over here. It is all ready. Everywhere you have to double click on the gray area and just check it. It is perfect. You can simply plot it. Try batch plot, publish. It will take a few seconds, and then you just need to deselect the model space, and you have to select uh, all the three drawings, and simply you have to hide details are good, this is okay. File is going to be HP users, so we can just uh, relocate this on our downloads page, so it just will be easy for you to see. Simply it is going to be user HP simple downloads, okay, and you just have to press on publish, and all your three press yes, and all your three files will be converted into a PDF file on your located things. So printing job in process, okay. So the printing job is in process. All the three drawings are getting published all at once, so you don't have to basically plot each and every one singularly like this. You don't need to plot it everything at once. You can just plot everything all at once. So you can skip the video for about 1 seconds ahead, so that it perfectly uh, makes all the drawings into a PDF file, and you can simply jump to the result itself. So now it is asking us for print layout as, so we will do in this, and we will simply write over here, okay, save. We will write it over here. We'll check on downloads. This is also good. We can simply write on save. We want a PDF file, that is okay. So that's how you will simply have your compiled file right on your located path. So this is how you publish a file in AutoCAD. It is that simple. If you like the video, then share it with someone who may need it.